Hey everyone, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a GoodBye Blue Sky cocktail. This is a custom drink I came up with to pair with Pink Floyd's The Wall. This is a fantastic album. It's surreal, it's transformative, it takes you on a journey. And this cocktail I think matches that because it has a very secret ingredient, and that is this gin right here. This particular brand is Empress in 1908, and it has a wonderful purplish blue hue, and that comes from dried pea blossoms. Now, this might be hard to find where you live, so you can actually make your own out of a vodka or a light rum or a gin, depending on what you like. It's not that hard, you just gotta steep it for a day or so to get that nice hue. So that's our main ingredient. So with that, let's begin. We're gonna grab a single rocks glass. We're gonna fill it with some ice. Then we're gonna take 2 ounces of our Empress 1908 gin. Now we're gonna take our mixing spoon and just stir it a little bit to chill the gin. Now we're gonna set this aside. Next, we're gonna grab our mixing tin and add about 8 to 10 mint leaves. Now we're gonna muddle. Then we're gonna add 3 cubes of pineapple, about 1 inch each. Then we muddle again. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of simple syrup, followed by 1 ounce of lime juice. Now we're gonna fill our tin with some ice. Now we shake. Okay, now we're gonna grab our gin from before that's been chilling, and we're gonna double strain the contents of our tin into our glass. But this is where you wanna do it in front of the person you're serving because something magical is about to happen. All right, here we go. And we say, goodbye, blue sky. And look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful drink. The last bit in there. Now the final step is we're gonna garnish with a mint sprig. And there you have the magical GoodBye Blue Sky. It's a really cool cocktail, and I'm so happy I found this because this is such a surreal looking cocktail that's perfect for The Wall. Now when you serve this, be sure to include a swizzle stick so that your guests can then stir up the alcohol with the mixer, because as it is, that really deep hue is pure gin, so that first sip's gonna be awfully strong. So I'll show you what that looks like real quick. Just stir that around, and you get a nice even pink color to go with Pink Floyd. Beautiful, let's take a sip of this. Ooh, that is tasty. Ooh, I love that. All right, everybody, hope you enjoy making your own GoodBye Blue Sky. Be sure to check out my review when you get a chance. Until then, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your vinyl geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Hey everyone, thanks again for checking out this episode of Mixing with the Geek. If you like what you saw, I put a playlist right there, as well as a link to my review of Pink Floyd's The Wall. If you like what you see, I put out new videos every Tuesday and sometimes Fridays.